St. Francis World School, Meerut.
Hello students, I am Puneet, your music teacher from St. Francis World School. Welcome in home screen summer camp. So today we are going to learn about the piano. This summer camp is of 7 days, and in 7 days we are going to learn so many things. We are going to start with the basic, and we are going to complete a song completely in these 7 days. So today, at day 1, we are going to learn about the basic about the piano. As we can see on the screen, there are keys of piano. There are some white keys and there are some black keys. These keys are following a pattern. The pattern like 2 black keys, then 3 black keys, then 2 black keys, then 3 black keys. So story starts from here only. Wherever you are having the 2 black keys, this note is a C sharp and this is the C note. So we are starting with the C note. As we know, there are 7 notes or 7 sur in Sargam. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Or you can say Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. So there are 7 main notes and 5 supportive notes. These main notes are or independent notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Then the supportive notes are C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Why it is? What I told you, this is C note, because this black note is just after the C note, so it's known as C sharp, and we write it like C hashtag. Then this is D, then this is D sharp. E is not having any sharp note. F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and B. So E and B are not having their sharp notes. So as I told you, we are going to start with the basic thing. So the basic starts with the sargam or the scale formation. So I am starting with the C major scale. C major scale starts with the C note. And where is the C note? This one. So it goes like this. How I played it? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. So, how we are going to give position to our fingers? It's like this is thumb, finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3, finger number 4. So write down, take a pen and take a paper and make notes. On C note, there will be thumb. Then on D, finger number 1. Then on E, finger number 2. Then on F, again your thumb. Then on G, finger number 1. Then A, finger number 2. Then on B, finger number 3. Then on next C, there will be finger number 4. And then we will follow the reverse route. So students, I told you about the C major scale. But what about the other scales? Do we have to learn all the scales? No. There is no need to learn each and every scale because I am going to tell you the secret behind the scales. Basically, we can make any scale. We can make the C scale, we can make the D, we can make the F, C sharp, F sharp, any of the scale we can form. Because there is a formula which we have to apply. The formula is note, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. What I said? I am repeating note, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. What is the tone? The tone is a measurement and semitone is also a measurement. What kind of measurement these are? Tone means skip one button and semitone just next button. So how we are going to apply and how we are going to make any scale? I am giving the demonstration on the D major scale. How I am going to apply this scale on the D major scale and how we are going to frame any of the scale. As I told you, the formula node, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So I am taking the example of a D major scale. D major scale, so note will be the D note. Then tone means skip one button, skip one button. Then tone, skip one button. We are skipping this, we are going here. So then semitone means just next button, means this button. Then tone, 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 semitone. How I applied it? Note, tone, tone, semitone, semitone. Sorry, note, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. You can apply this formula anywhere with any key. Okay, I am giving demonstration on one more scale. So I am taking this time F major. So for F major scale, I need my note will be F note. Where it is? Here it is. Note, tone. Tone means skip one note. I am skipping this and coming on this. So note, tone, tone, semitone. Tone, 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 semitone. Note, tone, tone, semitone, note, tone, tone. Note, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So what we learned? We learned about the C major scale. We learned about the notes name. We learned about the keys name. We learned how to make the scales and we learned the finger positioning. So my dear students, do practice, give time to your music, enjoy your music and don't forget to upload your practice video on the Facebook page. Goodbye, all the best.